Alright, and we're back. Because the timer just went off.
For
the turkey to get put in the oven. This is the turkey. We putting it in the oven now.
Oh.
Those mittens don't really work that well.
Oh. Okay, go ahead.
Okay, well you gotta turn the camera. So
Yeah, go ahead.
Got my mittens. Safety first.
Yeah. Remember, always safety first.
It doesn't fit.
No, it doesn't fit. Oh, I gotta
I think
bring
you gotta take the top
bring the
out.
tray down.
Or something like that. I don't know. He does whatever he needs to do. Don't burn your leg.
No.
We're getting really close to it.
Yeah. You think right there?
That should be it. That should be good enough.
Let's try it.
Alright, now bring the camera towards.
Yes. Yes. Okay, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. We'll try it. It's trying, okay?
There, it fits.
Okay.
Oops. You do
Okay.
that part.
Okay.
My hands are clean, so I'm hard.
Okay.
Thank you, Dada.
Okay, you know how to do it. There you go. Now the
turkey.
turkey is in the oven and it's gonna be cooked for
first we gotta.
for 3.5 hours.
I gotta set the time.
Yes. Now you fix up the timer right there. We put it on yeah, 3.5 hours. We got it for 3.5 hours.